Yesterday marked big news in women's health. The FDA has just removed the black box warning from hormone replacement therapy. This changes everything. After 15 years of prescribing HRT, I finally feel validated, and so should every woman navigating perimenopause or menopause. I treated hundreds of women, each with her own story, her own needs. And now the science finally matches what I've seen every day in my clinic. Safe, skilled, and personalized hormone therapy doesn't just relieve symptoms, it can prevent long-term health issues like cardiovascular disease, osteoporosis, dementia, and even diabetes. The black box warning kept so many women from getting care they truly needed, but new outcome studies tell a better story, one grounded in benefits, not fear. At Sound Medical Weight Loss, we offer more than symptom relief. We offer sound medicine for sound bodies. And it starts with listening to you. If you're in perimenopause or menopause or know someone who is and wondering if HRT is right for you, let's talk. Book your consultation today. Let's take this step toward better health together. The tide is turning. It's time to move forward with confidence, clarity, and experienced care.